Barefoot Boat Bums travelled to Ria Vigo. While we were still anchored at Isla Tambo, we had our friend Tamara and her sister Betty come and visit us for the day. They very kindly brought us some tomatoes and peppers and some padron peppers from their own garden and some wine. Thank you very much, girls. While Jake was taking them back to shore, they saw some dolphins. This is one very excited Galician.
Dream this night away.
The fog is lifting. So we decided that bugger it, we're going to finish grabbing some breakfast now, and then we're going to head off around to Vigo. We've been here for a little while now, and the fog may well come in tomorrow or the day after, so we thought as it's clearing now, let's just go. It's quite nice now.
I'm sorry. It's for your own good.
Good, Lucy?
I'm trying to space my herbs.
Herbs.
My basil and my coriander. My basil's looking better than my coriander. I might try and space them out a bit more.
Yeah, they're good.
But we've been told to take them out of their peat pots because they're quite crammed in. And they've got like roots all the way through, which is really good. I really rate these peat pots. But then, yeah, trying to pull them out by the not by the roots or the stems, but by the leaves.
We were strangers, watched you from afar.
We had planned to anchor in Cangas for the week, but numerous ferries causing some big wash meant that it wasn't particularly comfortable. So we headed upriver towards Ensenada de San Simon, where our friends Ruffian had anchored.
Let's hope we fit.
I wanna celebrate. Sun shining in your eyes.
Nervous?
I don't like it on the bridges, it never looks high enough.
I know.
'Cause I'm still in love with you. I wanna see you dance again. I'm still in love with you on this harvest moon.
Ensenada de San Simon is at the top of Ria de Vigo under the bridge. It's a calm and sheltered anchorage, perfect for the week.
There was something different about ragtime today. We've taken off the sides because we've got guests arriving in a couple of days' time. We've got Ben and Helen coming to see us with little Finley. And we decided to give them a good old clean, get some of the green stuff off. How's it going, Jake?
Yeah, going good. Coming off surprisingly easy.
I was about to get my vinegar and bicarb mix on it, but it seems to be coming off all right with water, which is great. It's like all these green bits. No chemicals, just water. And it's really hot. Really hot today.
Come a little bit closer.
Ben and Helen and Finley soon to be joining us on board, it was up to us to make a bed fit for a baby on a boat.
Don't you lead? There's a full moon rising. Let's go dancing in the light. We know where the music's playing. Let's go out and feel the night.
And we're pretty pleased with the result.
Because I'm still in love with you. I wanna see you.
What's going on?
I'm just replacing the staysail halyard because that's been, the outer core has been coming away from the inner core. It's been getting more and more difficult to put down, pull the sail back down. So I am about to go up the mast on this lovely evening, sit on the spreaders and pull through the new halyard because I'm just pulling it through and I got caught around the block as it goes through the top of the mast. So Lucy's going to winch me up. Lucy's decided she's going to winch me up on her own and I don't have to climb. She's going to regret that very soon, considering I'm only a metre off the ground. So I still didn't hear that?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, alright. So what would happen is the new line being pulled through now. The old one was the wire here. And the new one just had a bit of difficulty being pulled through the block. Yes. So we just sat down for a drink. Cheers, Lucy.
Cheers, Jake.
We've had a productive day today. We've got Helene and Ben joining us tomorrow with the little boy Finley. So we've been doing quite a big deep clean today, haven't we?
That scrubbing, rinsing, washing, you name it. We're all clean, ready for you, Helen and Ben.
Yeah.
The Turners with Finley.
Can't wait.
We decided to combine our skills of Jake's whittling and my sea glass, and we've made Finley a mobile.
Where are we going this morning, Jake?
We are going down to Vigo to pick up Helene and Ben.
Woo!
It's early. It's not that early. It's now 9 o'clock. It's got past 9. She's literally we've got.
Early is early for us, isn't it?
It's early for us.
And we're going under the bridge again.